Namaste and respected to all the viewers. Myself Pujom Zirdo of class 9 from EKV Vivek. So, I've been given the topic to speak on the author whom I admire the most, and the author is Robin Sharma. So, I was at 7th grade when I first got to know him. It was through a book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. So, personally, if I tell you, Robin Sharma is really my idol, and many of you might know him as well. So let me give you a brief description about him, about how he really started to write. So he was a attorney back in the time, and despite of being low as his career, he had a great interest in writing. So in the year of 1994, he wrote a book, Mega Living 30 Days to a Perfect Life, and it was edited by his mother and self-published in the year of 1995, but the book really doesn't brought much success to him. But after that also, he continued to write because he didn't want to quit writing. So after that, he published his second book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, which was a great sensational book, and many people know about this book. So after that, he quit his job as attorney and started to write. So I don't want to extend this speech, so I just want to give you what I gained from the book, a little bit of knowledge. So Sharma's books are all about self-help and motivation. It really teaches us who we truly are and what we are really supposed to be like. So we're never gonna know how our future is gonna be, so we should be always grateful to our present, and we should create our present as beautiful as we can. We should create a present in which we will be the architect of our own future, where we will be not prisoned by our past. The book really teaches us many things. It really teaches that the purpose of life is the life of purpose, and every event has a purpose, and every setback its lesson. Now, if we come to confidence, many people might lost somewhere. So we should always keep in mind that our I can is more important than our IQ. So now, if we come to how to lead a happy life, we should keep in mind that we should know that we should show people that we really care for we really care for the person in our surrounding, because we are happy because of them. We should be grateful towards the people in our surrounding, and because life has bigger plan for us than we can possibly know. One of the main point to lead a happy life is that happiness is a journey, not a destination. So if we take a closer look in our surrounding, we'll find happiness everywhere. So this is what we can implement in our life. So we all know that there are ups and downs in our life, and which is very common, and sometimes we even get bad judgments. But we shouldn't give up, because happiness comes through good judgment comes through experience, and experience comes through bad judgment. So we shouldn't feel down. We should not feel down. So be patient with the knowledge that all searching for is certain to come if you are prepared for it and ready to accept it. After all, the quality of life is determined by the quality of the thought you have. It is possibly true that we might want to change ourselves into more nicer person or a better person. So the thing I want to make you that sometimes we might get frustrated because we are not being what we are. So we shouldn't be frustrated. I want to tell you that quick fixes do not work. After all lasting and inner changes requires time. So I would like to conclude my speech by saying that let's live a happy life, because if we live a happy life, we'll keep everyone happy. It doesn't really make sense what I'm saying, but I want you all to be happy and to live your fullest. Thank you.